Welcome again to my crypto channel. In this video, I will talk about the price of DRIP and why I am still bullish on DRIP, and I will also cover all the changes that take place on the animal farm and the piggy bank. As you probably know by now, the pigs token migration on the animal farm has started. This migration was needed because someone was able to buy thousands of pig tokens when the piggy bank launched using an automated bot. This made it difficult for small investors to benefit from the piggy bank ecosystem, and Forex Shark, who created the animal farm, had to take action. He blacklisted the bot address and created a new pigs token. It was a drastic decision to take, but it will benefit us all in the long term. So, if you're involved in the piggy bank, you must take out all your pigs BUSD and pigs WBNB liquidity pool tokens, to get the new pigs version 2 tokens. The old pigs will become obsolete and will not be usable after the pigs version 2 launches, so it's important to do this right now if you want to keep your pigs. You will be credited with new pigs and pigs LP tokens either in your wallets if you held the pigs in your wallets or in the new contracts if you had them in the contracts at the time pigs was paused. If you cannot withdraw your LP tokens because they are time locked in the piggy bank, that's okay. You will automatically get credited for the LP tokens that you cannot withdraw. The credit contract will be live until Tuesday, March 22nd, so everyone has plenty of opportunity to get credit for their old pigs. I already removed my pigs BUSD tokens from the piggy bank, so there are no more left here. When you remove your tokens, you need to go to the pigs credits page and submit your pigs and LP tokens here to get the new pigs when they become available. All the farms and pools in the animal farm are on pause now, as the pigs migration is happening, but dogs and other LP tokens are fine. Dogs are not affected by the upcoming changes. You can leave them in the farms and pools, but when they become active again, you must take out all your pigs there too and swap them on the pig credits page. The drip garden is doing just fine. You can still compound or harvest your plants. I currently have 1,040 plants, and I will keep compounding to get my 3% daily payout. Let me compound my 150 available plants right now so you can see I'm not kidding. I started with the garden when the animal farm launched, and I remember that it took me ages to farm one plant. But I compounded every day since, and now I make around $60 per day. Here's a handy website where you can see how much plants you're earning per day, and how much money this represents. It also shows the right time to compound, so you don't lose any seeds. It's a pretty amazing website to keep track of your investment, and I will drop the link below. My strategy is to put the DRIP BUSD LP tokens from here into the farm to earn more pigs. Until they become active again, I will keep on compounding. Doing this will earn me more pigs for free, and all these pigs will go into the pig pen where I get paid out in BUSD. The animal farm is like an automated money machine that works for you 24/7. If you're not in the animal farm ecosystem already, you can use my link below in the description box. Don't forget that all this is not financial advice. I only show you my personal strategy. You should never copy what other people do, especially here on YouTube. Always do your own research. This is crypto, and nothing is guaranteed. Now, let's talk about DRIP. The price of DRIP has been going downhill since late January when DRIP was at an all-time high. That was when the animal farm went live and people bought up tons of DRIP. DRIP took a dive since then, and found support around $50 where it bounced off. Someone bought a lot of DRIP here, and the price went up to $60. So what happened? Is there something going on? Well, maybe there is. PancakeSwap recently tweeted a picture of a cute running rabbit with a DRIP logo on his shirt, and asked, "Whatever could this be?" As soon as the tweet was released, the price of DRIP exploded. I tweeted about this on my own Twitter feed, and it got thousands of views and retweets, so it looks like people still have faith in DRIP. If you're not following me on Twitter already, then this is the right time to do it. My Twitter link is below. I think PancakeSwap is going to partner up with DRIP. I don't know exactly what they are planning to do, but it could be that you will be able to earn cake with your DRIP, or something like that. PancakeSwap is the leading decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, with the most users and highest trading volume in the market. No registration or verification is required to trade assets on the exchange, which gives users a high level of anonymity. There are also much lower fees and quicker transactions, compared to Ethereum-based exchanges like Uniswap. That's all bullish for Drip. And that was needed. Drip has gotten a lot of negativity lately. A lot of FUD has been spread. People said Drip was going to zero. The party was over. I saw a YouTuber calling Forex Shark a scammer, and making accusations to the Drip team. Another guy started a petition to call out Forex to show his face and stop the sell-off. As if that was even possible. Smart contracts are locked and nobody can change the code once deployed on the blockchain. It was crazy, but it didn't change my opinion about Drip. Fudders on YouTube are only trying to get more views with negative clickbait titles. I think they have never experienced a bear market before, and don't understand how markets work or what drives supply and demand. It's just sad. I am still bullish on Drip. Price fluctuations like this are perfectly normal in crypto. Bitcoin has been down 80% a few times in history but always recovered. It's simple. People who sell during the dip are always losing money. I don't know what will happen in the future. Anything is possible in crypto. But I will not give up on Drip. I will keep compounding the hell out of it in the Faucet until I get my maximum payout. Drip has been earning me 1% per day for many months, and I have faith in Forex's new projects and the upcoming partnerships. My Dripaholics team is also growing. I currently have 16 direct team members, and 20 indirects. There's 500 Drip in the balance, earning 5 Drip per day. I claim the rewards every Sunday, and share them with everyone in the team by doing weekly airdrops. If you also want to receive free Drip, please use my Dripaholics buddy address in the description box below. And while there, don't forget to join my Dripaholics Telegram channel to get all the latest updates first. One more tip before I leave. If you like Drip and earning passive income with your crypto, then you will also love my Diamond team too. This one is paying out 1.5% on your BNB tokens daily. That's even more than Drip. The new version is an update of the first contract that was compromised, but the bug has been fixed. If you deposit BNB, you will receive 1.5% interest per day. Just like Drip, you cannot take out your initial, only claim your daily interest. The minimum deposit is 0.5 BNB. This looks like a long play. There's a great team behind the project and they care about their users, so I plan to invest more in the contract soon. If you join my Diamond team, you will also qualify to get in the Piston token contract, which launches soon. I did a review about the new My Diamond team too. You can find it on my channel. Okay, that's it for now. If you love DeFi, and want to be informed about new projects, feel free to join my Crypto Token Miners Telegram group. You will get all the latest crypto updates first. The Telegram link is below. Thanks again for watching this video. Please drop a comment below if you have anything to share. If you got something from my information, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.